Okay, welcome back to Max's Garage Mahal. And as usual, what are we doing out here? We're testing batteries. I've got a company here that I've talked to just briefly. And the reason why I did that, I was looking around to see what kind of products are out there that aren't into Amazon fake reviews, that aren't into eBay fake reviews. They give you a product to come out here and say, hey, why don't you test our stuff and we'll give you a battery, or we'll give you a da-da-da-da. Well, okay, I'd rather get these things, pick them up myself, test them, use them. Companies don't like me to say that, and as my protege and partner says, man, don't tell them you're going to abuse them. They don't want to hear that. Well, some people, some of the manufacturers do. They want to know that there's a private person out here that's abusing their stuff and letting you know what you find. One of them, give them a great product company, and I'm going to throw it out there, and it's on somebody else's review. Old Bizway and Lasica, same company, great people, and they know that they know when I do a review for them or with them, I'm going to screw their batteries up if I can. I haven't been able to do that yet, but I'm going to one of these days. All right, so what do we have here? We have EnnoTool, and it's a big company over there in China where all the lithium products are made, because they have the cinch on the products it requires, or the materials required to make lithium. So we don't have a choice but to buy from them. It may say DeWalt on it, it may say Milwaukee, it may say Ryobi. That stuff comes from China. Comes from these people who makes that stuff. All right, so here it is. And this is going to be hard for you to see. Alright, I try to get it out of that light. It does tell you right on it, it's a rechargeable battery pack. And it's a reference military deal, or Milwaukee, and it's 18 volt Lion. Yep, 6 amp hour battery made in China. And it tells you right here on it, it's got a EnnoTools label right there real clearly. And let's see if I can get my finger in here and test these buttons. It should come, this is, I just took it out of the box. This should come with 3/4 charge. Alright. I just did that a minute ago and it had charge in it. Oh, there it is. You just gotta get it pointed just right. Can't even see if you don't point it right. Alright, there you go. The light's so bright. There you go. So, there you are. So, these things replace, they replace the Milwaukee red lithium, M18 red lithium, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and I think they have a 12 now, but that thing's so heavy it weighs more than a tool. And as you know, we always test those batteries out on this particular old Milwaukee 1/4 inch impact, and it takes forever to get you an end result, because how long will a 6 amp battery last you on an impact tool? A while. Let's see if it'll turn this sucker over. Alright. And let's see if this one does, and this is on it. They sound good. Alright. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to test this. Now, something I really like. I'm going to show this to you. And as I told them a year ago when I started talking to them, I won't test your batteries, but I want a rubber foot on these things so that they don't, if you put them on the side of a metal roof, they don't slide off. Guys, that's important. This battery here doesn't, I'm not going to show you the brand, but that has the same bottom. Here you go. It has the same bottom as it does the sides. So what's going to happen? Put your tool on something flat or at an angle, down it's going to go and it's going to break the battery, most likely, and probably the tool. Okay, so where we're at so far is you've seen the battery. You see it's got some charge. Now we want to see if it'll take a full charge. And I always buy their battery chargers when I can. And guess what? Let's see if this is it. I bought 2 batteries. Nope. Guess what? You bet you can tell what brand it is, because you know how many of those I got. Or have. Not got, I have. Alright. So here's the box it came out of. Ain't no doubt it came from China. It says Hinko in China. That ain't what it says. Alright, well anyway, that's what it means. Made in China. So here you go. And it says it's for the N14, N18 batteries. That should be M, I think. And here's their charger right here. And it does just what it says. Looks like. If I don't drop it and break it, it says it'll do. You got instructions and warranties and warning and all that stuff. It says it'll do, and it's EnnoTool labeled right there. N14, N18, and it does not do 12. It has the little place here to cut out to put the 12 volt in there. It does not do that. I'm going to tell them what I think about that, and I'm going to do it right here in this video. You should not build a charger that doesn't do all 3 sizes of batteries. That will kill this sale for some companies or for some buyers. So as usual, you plug it in right here like that, and it's alternating current, so it can go this way or that way because it don't care. So you just, whichever way your hand's holding it, stuff that sucker in here. Alright, now here's what we're going to do. I'm going to cut this video for a second. I'm going to run in and grab another one of these because I happen to keep 2 or 3 of these things around. I've got a Milwaukee, and I've got a and I got a and I've got the new EnnoTool. So let me run and grab theirs. Be right back, or I'll just run in and get it, leave this going, and I'll just speed it up when I get back. Okay, this is another spare, and I'm going to show you up close how dirty this thing is from sitting up there. And but you have seen this in another. By golly, this is a Milwaukee. You can see I don't even use a Milwaukee. There's other brands that I like better. Sorry. Okay, so let's take an older battery here that doesn't have the rubber foot, and let's check it on the Milwaukee. Now I'm going to turn it sideways so you don't have to see the brand. And it's loose as a goose. Alright, let's try it on the EnnoTool. A little tighter. I like that. And the reason why I like that is because it's not as likely to allow one of the pins to not make contact. Okay, let's take the EnnoTool on the Milwaukee charger and see how it fits. About the same as it does any other battery. Brand label. And then we test it on here. A little bit less loose. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the Enno brand battery and put it on the Milwaukee charger. So let's unwind the cords here. And for the 53rd time when testing people's batteries, I am going to put that tie back on there so I don't lose it. Alright, let's do the same thing to the Enno. And we're going to plug them back in, both in. And we know that the Enno has got 3/4 charge already. And I'm thinking that the other brand, I don't know how much it's got in it. I hadn't tested it. But I'll tell you what we are going to do. We're going to push the button over here. And it's about 3/4 charge. So that'll be a fair fight. Alright, we're going to plug both of those in side by side. We're going to get over here, cross in front. No, we don't. We can do it right here. That's what I like about building my own buildings. I can put as many circuits in as I want, as many plug-ins as I want, as long as they match the fire marshal's codes and the international codes. And you know what? Whatever I need to do, I can do, because I ain't going to burn a building down. Alright, now let's stand them up like this for a second. You can see they both have the red light showing that they've got a product in there. Alrighty, let's set like that for just a moment. And let's see if they go to charging. Well, oh, never mind. On these, they are red when they're charging. And then they turn green when they're fully charged. The lights don't go out, they turn green. Alright, so let's leave them like that. It is now, in Arkansas, it is now 11:59. Alright, that's Ebonics. So we're going to go away, come back, and it's 101 or 102 degrees outside. And in here it's probably about 104 or 5. So we'll come back after a little bit and we'll see how far along these have come. And we'll let you know. Be right back. Okay, welcome back here, and as you can see they're both charged, and it is 12:43. So they both charged up pretty equally, pretty fast. And let's go ahead and pull them off and see what the buttons now say. Full 4. Okay. And full 4. Okay, so we're going to give the battery charger definitely thumbs up. Now we got to test the battery. So that's going to be video number 2. This is video number 1. Okay, so we're going to beat the dickens out of this thing. It may take us 2 or 3 months to get this thing tested hard and heavy. But we'll be back with episode 2. We'll tell you if that old rag is going to be a pony or a goat. Alright, I hope you give us a like. As we always say here at Max's Garage Mahal, if you hadn't subscribed already, please do. Y'all come back and see us now, you hear?
Tell me true.